Hello there. Today's video is on CSS. So I've got a page here. Let's look at it. There it is in Firefox. It's a paragraph. That paragraph is stuck inside of a div, and it's kind of a rare CSS property, which is border right. So let's go ahead and put div curly braces, and I'm going to put a background on this guy. Background of red, and a padding of 10 pixels. Get it away from the text. And as I said, this is border right, and you can do it all in one declaration for say 10 pixels solid black. Save that, refresh. There it is on the right side, that black line. You can do various colors. You can do blue, orange. You can do a hexadecimal, which will be a hashtag, and then say 12 units of red and 45 units of green and 98 units of blue, which all add up to be this. You can do no color, which would be white. Sorry, which would be black. All colors would be white. Always get those mixed up. There we go, white. You can also do transparent, which means no color. It just shows the background of the red. Oh wait, you don't have to do the pound sign though in front of it, just like that. So let's say, for example, that you have a 10 pixel border of solid black all the way around all of your divs. Save that, refresh. There you go. You can do specific stuff. So we're going to do this locally here. We're going to do style equals open quotes, and say you have all the divs set up this way, but you want this particular div to be slightly different on the right side. So border right style of double. Save that, refresh. There you go. Double line. There's a dotted, dots, dashed, dashes. You can do inset, which isn't going to do a lot of good because it's a 3D. You need it all the way around. Outset. There's a groove, another 3D, and ridge, another 3D. Not really that great. There's a hidden. There's none, and the hidden does the same thing as none, except the hidden is when you have like CSS conflicts. And inherit, which means it inherits from its parent item. There is no parent item, so it's not going to inherit anything. Well, there is a parent item, but it's not specified on the parent item, so it inherits nothing. There's also a border right width. So you can specify a different border width, say 40 pixels, save, refresh. Or you can do a border right color. And like I said, this is a hexadecimal, which means you can do AA, FF, AA, save that, and to do. But you may say to yourself, hey, that's not a number. Well, it is a number. It's hexadecimal. It's a base 16 counting system, which means it uses the numbers 0 through 9, just like our counting system, but it's a base 16, which means it has additional 6 numbers, which go through A through F, and then it hits 10 through 19, at which point it hits, well, I guess that's a 18, and all the way through F-teen. I don't really know what the terms are for those guys, but it has 6 extra numbers on them. If all that's a little bit confusing, there's a website actually called Color Lovers. It's a great website. They show you lots of colors. They give you the hex codes. Go on your own time. Just remember there's a U in it in the name. But you can do generic colors as well. Say I think you can do purple. Let's see, purple. Yeah, you can do purple, teal. But that kind of leaves it open, for the browser interpretation to whatever they decide to make it. But there you go. That's how you use the border right color. We've talked about border right style, border right width, and then just plain border right. And remember, the border right, you can do the same way that you do with the border declaration. You do 40 pixels, black, and dotted. There you go. So that's how you use those various CSS properties. Hopefully you'll get to use them, and thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed the experience of this tutorial, why not share it with your friends?